So, let us witness the first ever electrical passenger carrier, Magic Iris Electric. The first of its kind passenger vehicle that is clean and 100% eco-friendly, as it offers zero emission and zero noise. Magic Iris Electric is first of its kind externally charged pure electric vehicle, which is also equipped with a solar panel that further becomes an alternate source of energy that combines together into one constant energy flow. The new Magic Iris Electric offers emission-free journey that is low on maintenance and has minimum running cost, with smooth, gearless and clutchless driving, thus ensuring zero fatigue to the driver. With best-in-class attributes, it's also geared up with several features that spell convenience. The dashboard is equipped with a state-of-the-art 7-inch touchscreen display that shows all vehicle-related information like range, battery state of charge, battery state of health, trip planner, duress and service SMS, and can also double up as an infotainment system. So this is the new face of emission-free, fatigue-free and problem-free expression of mass transportation.